Hi, my name is Michelle and I'll be working on a rainbow melt today.
First, I'll be using Purple Desire, kind of getting at the base, getting underneath. Then I will take Lusty Lavender. Then I'm going to dip my finger in water and kind of marry these together like this. Then I'm going to take Blue Envy and kind of feather that in. And if it doesn't get saturated all the way, don't worry about that. I'll come back in with my fingers after. This one is going to be Tantalizing Teal. You kind of bring that up into the other color. And I will wet my fingers again, bring these colors in. Then after the teal, I will go in with Neon Green. And wet my fingers again and go in and smudge it. Wetting the fingers just kind of dilutes the color a little bit and then melts the other colors together. So after the green, I will go in with Lemon Drop. Then I will just bring this in. Then I'll get Pink Fetish. Then I will go in with Midnight Ruby. Hi, I'm back and I'm doing my second layer of the rainbow melt. Since my favorite color is pink, I'm going to use the Fetish Pink, and then I'll use the Midnight Magenta towards the bottom. You could take any piece of paper and put it in between. Let's see if it sticks. There you go. To kind of, if you're going to be this detailed about it. Okay, so I just sectioned off my third piece, and this one will go back to the rainbow melts. This is my fourth section. I'll be using Neon Green, Lemon Drop, and Pink Fetish. Taking horizontal sections from ear to ear. Here we go, it's the last one.